Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my nails in this video. It's been a long time since I've had my nails done. It's probably been like at least a month or two since I've had fake nails, so I'm kind of excited to do this. And the first clip, you guys can see those are my just natural nails, and I'm kind of even embarrassed to show you guys that because it's been that long since I've had nails on. Also, they are like a little bit, my natural nails are like pink or reddish tint because my hair is red. I have like a red dye in my hair, so every time I wash it, it like stains my nails and it stains everything, which sucks, but I don't know, whatever. So I'm taking this Valentino color. I love this color. I love mostly all of his new colors. I just think they apply so well. They're like super creamy, super smooth, very easy to work with. I just really like them. By the way, this is not sponsored. I feel like you have to say that now because most of the things you see on Instagram are sponsored. So yeah, just a little heads up. I really do genuinely like his products. So yeah, I'm going to be adding this color to all of the nails, and yeah, while I'm doing that, I kind of want to do a little chit chat. I want to know, like, what are you guys doing in this quarantine? Are you working? Are you not working? Me personally, I am considered an essential worker, so I do have to still work, but fortunately I can work from home, so that is great. But yeah, let me know if you guys are still working. Since I do have so much free time, I am watching a lot of different shows. The show that I'm currently watching right now is Game of Thrones, which is weird because I gave up on Game of Thrones like a year ago. Like, I watched the first season and I just could not get into it, so I gave up on it, and I kind of wanted to give it another try like all this time, so I'm finally doing that, and I can say that I am kind of obsessed with the show. I think because this time around I actually sat down and paid attention to it. I have the subtitles on so I can understand what's going on and I can read it. I watch every show with subtitles, so yeah. Do you guys watch shows with subtitles? I feel like it's like way easier to understand and to follow, even if it's like English. No, like, it doesn't even matter the language. Like, I always have the subtitles on when I watch Netflix. But yeah, I know some people hate that, so yeah, I would like to know, do you guys have subtitles on when you watch shows or movies? But yeah, that's interesting. Also, I want to know, I really want to know in the comments, do you guys watch Love Island? I've been watching Love Island even before quarantine. I started kind of like, I think into February I started watching Love Island. There's like 6 seasons, but there's so many episodes, and I am obsessed with Love Island. It's like my favorite show. I watched the UK version and I just really liked it, but I think it's a show that nobody watches, so it kind of makes me sad because I have nobody to talk to it with. So yeah, let me know if you guys watch Love Island. Please tell me if you watch Love Island. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, also let me know what other shows you guys are watching. Give me some suggestions. I keep hearing good things about Little Fires. I think Little Fires. I did watch Ozark. Not a fan. Just wasn't for me, but I think you guys should give it a try. But anyway, we're done adding that color. Now we're going to go in and shape the nails. Of course, I'm using an 8080 grit nail file. I think it's just the best one to use to get that nice sharp shape. Always line up against the side walls. I think that's very important, and it's really hard to shape your own nails. I feel like you just have to do the best you can. You have to make like weird hand movements to get the placement right, and I always do this step. I just kind of turn my file to the flat side and just smooth out the nail. I think it's like very effective. Something that I always do before I use my e-file, and I think it just really works. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. I feel like I've been talking forever. I want to do a chit chat video, like face to face or face to camera, so I won't feel bad for talking your heads off. So maybe I'll do that. I'll record that in the next couple of days. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch this little part, and then I'll be back to explain the butterflies. Okay, so shaping is all done. Now we're going to be I'm taking some gel polish. Gel polish is by Vanessa Nails. The color is soft orange, and I'm going to be drawing my orange on there. I know some people use acrylic. I have done acrylic before. I just felt like for this it just wasn't necessary. I just feel like sometimes it's easier to use a gel polish because it requires less skill, for one, and then number two, it's better to do a fill-in, or you can change the design like way easier. So I still like gel. I know a lot of people are against gel polish, but I think it's very, very helpful in some ways. So first thing I do is kind of draw an arc. I go from the right side, and then I go from the left side to meet in the middle, and then I'm going to go up the side walls. And the last step I do is I just fill it in. I can use the brush that comes with the gel polish bottle, but I just feel like when I use a brush, it just messes up. Like I have more mistakes, and I didn't have to go back in and like kind of fix it. So I use my stick or skinny brush the whole time. It's probably takes me longer, but I think it just helps me make sure that it's like more perfect, and I don't have to go in and clean up anything. So again, I do an arc first. I go from the left, from the right, I meet in the middle, and then I take my brush and I'm just kind of filling in all the spaces. And yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect for the first coat, because I am going to do a second coat. And yeah, so again, just make sure you're filling it in. And then after this part, after we're done with the gel polish, it will be time for some butterflies. So yeah, this is after the first coat, so you can see that you can kind of still see through the orange a little bit. It's not as pigmented as you might want it. So same thing, you just kind of going to go in, you're going to do the same thing 2 times in a row. Once you finish with it, you can also I want to tell you guys this. I didn't record this part, but I did cure each finger individually for the first coat because I didn't want it to mess up. Because these nails are pretty long, so that's a really good tip. You don't have to wait until the end to cure all 5 nails. You can cure it one by one, and then at the end, after you finish all 5, you can cure it again for an additional amount of time, so that way you don't mess it up and you won't have to go back over it and fix it. And also, working with gel polish, which is the downside, it's very, very tacky, very, very sticky. So if you cure it each nail one by one, only for the first coat, if you cure each nail one by one, you'll save yourself a lot of mistakes if you're a little clumsy and like you bump your nails into stuff. So I did 3 coats. I did not record the third coat. You can stop at 2 coats. I thought that was fine, but I just wanted to see what it would look like with the third coat. Now I'm going to be taking these butterflies I got from Amazon. Very useful. I didn't think I would use them, or I didn't think they would be that useful when I first got them, but they are very useful. And you're going to just basically take them off the little sticker thing, and then you're going to press them in. Very important to make sure you really, really press them into the nail, like here. and you're gonna just repeat the process and do as many butterflies as you want. I did go ahead and cure that first thumb with some clear gel because I wanted to see how it was going to look before I continue to do the rest of the nails. So yeah, it's kind of tedious because the butterflies are sticky, they're small, and also they kind of rip easily, so be careful with that as well. But yeah, I'm just picking them up and placing them where I think I need them, and then I'm going to be adding a gel top coat. I use a non-wipe gel top coat as always, and then I add some cuticle oil. Very easy tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about it. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if you watch Love Island, please. I'll see you guys in my next video.